They say that the Hausas is now preaching that the amalgamation of Frederick Lugard to Nigeria is nonsense. That is never a Frederick Lugard that amalgamated Nigeria. He said now we decide though to come together. Now waiting they come outside from Hausa mouth. So for that, one Nigeria continue. As that one they happen, they say that Yorubas don't finally turn the clock left to the right. Come say na Igbos na then cause the hunger waiting for the land. Now come ask am how. He come talk say all the whole bad thing wey dey happen for Lagos say na Igbo people na then they do am. No be small thing o. I talk am say this hunger they go finally turn am to Ndi Igbo. Now as that one dey happen, they say that the Igbos in US are busy talking with the ambassadors and the US lawmakers to make sure they reason Nnamdi Kanu and conduct a referendum in Nigeria. No be small thing, my people. Go find out how this thing take dey happen. However, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here. They bring you updates back to back as they hot. Let's quickly jump into the matter where we'll get for our hand today. But please share this video. Very, very important, because when you share the video, the people get the information, know what they go on. They say that the Hausas are now preaching that the amalgamation of where Frederick Lugard can do for inside Nigeria, carry everybody put together. In say na lie, say na people decide to come. But the worst part of it is that after he finish am, he can still conclude am. Say na then do am. But however, say Nigeria is supposed to live together. My people, things are happening. I will play you the video, may you watch, and we'll come back, call continue. Stay tuned, a lot of story there to hear.
Okay, so those that are saying that the amalgamation of Nigeria was some white people did it, are talking crap. Most countries were artificially created. There are very few countries. Even United Kingdom is an artificial creation. Scotland, Wales, England, they have histories of killing and fighting each other. Okay? So our amalgamation by whoever, by whatever, in my view, in my opinion, is an act of God. God meant us to be together. If you look at the population density of the African continent, you will know that Nigeria is God's creation. It was not Lugard's creation. In one little corner of Africa, God decided to put all these energetic people and put so much of the continent's resources. Nigeria has every mineral. Obi will tell you she was mining minister, and she did a lot to try to make solid minerals come up. We have everything, and it's not an accident. I don't believe it is. And if you want to check, go and look at history. Most nations, 90% of all the nations you see on this planet were artificially created in much the same way as Nigeria was amalgamated. Okay, so that's one reality. The second reality is this. Some of the most homogeneous countries have turned out to fail more easily than some of the heterogeneous countries. The biggest example of state failure in world history is Somalia. Somalis all speak the same language, and they are almost all entirely Muslims. The country has not had a government for, what, 30 years? They are trying to get a barely functioning government now, but they all speak the same language and of the same religion. So clearly, having the same language and religion is not a panacea for unity. And some of the most diverse countries in terms of religion, culture, and everything, like United States of America, another artificial creation, by the way, is today one of the greatest countries on the planet. Okay? So please don't tell me that because we have Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, Igbira, and so on, we should not be one country. Don't tell me that. Okay? The reality is this. We have a choice to live and work together. It is not your religion, it is not your ethnic group, it is not the language you speak that matters. It is a choice you make to give everyone his rights. and to be fair and just to your neighbor. If you can adopt that principle, which is in all the scriptures, both Islamic, Jewish, and Christian scriptures, if we adopt that instead of praying all the time, but not pray, practice it, Nigeria and the whole world will have peace. We must decide we want to build a nation. We must accept that God created Nigeria to be the beacon of hope for all black people. Otherwise, why are we so many in this part of the country? Look at Niger. Niger is several times the size of Nigeria in terms of land area. What is their population? They are the size of my extended family. Okay? It is Nigeria that can be a truly black nation. It is Nigeria that can show that black people can get it right. It is a responsibility God has placed on this country. That is why you must all consider a career in politics and public service seriously. Because if good people are not in politics, James Ibori will be in politics.
Yeah, my wonderful people, no be small thing, no. Say you don't hear them with your 2 ears. No be small thing. I want make you let us know what you think for inside comment section. But however, let's quickly jump into this matter. We see the our table. As the Yorubas don't come outside though, he said that the problem when Nigeria get na the Igbos. As Ingo explain tire. So let us play this video for you. May you watch, making the explain they go.
Facing. It's not the Hausa alone. The bigger problem we have in this world, the Yoruba have, is the Igbo problem. It's the Igbo problem. The maritime and then the judicial killing among the Yoruba race. Yoruba land is by the Igbos. Then when you look at the fake drug, it's by the Igbos. When you look at all the adulterated drugs too, it's by the Igbos. And when you look at all the fake things they brought from China, it's all the Igbos. And when you look at all the shops in the Yarampada and everywhere, it's by the Igbos. And when you look at the Okotoko and all these things, even the name they are bearing in their village is different from the name they are bearing in Akure. An Igbo who did not go to school, who did not know his left from right, is selling drug in Abulegba. He's having a chemist in Abulegba. He's having a chemist in Surulere. He's having a chemist in what in Ayobo. He's having a blood bank where they start blood and sell into the hospital in Mushin and in Yarampaja. Is Igbo people. All to bring down the Yoruba people. So the problem we have now is too enormous.
My wonderful people, Shebuna don't hear them with una 2 ears. No be say na me talk am. That's why with this channel we try to bring video to show you say what would they talk now so it be, because we not get any fake news what would they carry for here. So left for you to decide and hear what they go on. Share this video, very very important. And I don't hear them say the biggest problem where they get na Igbo. True na Igbos na be their biggest problem. That is why leave Biafras to go, they say no. Give Igbos opportunity, they say no. Give them president, they say no. Allow them to be part of the society, they say no. But the same people who are they push come out are the same people who are building everywhere inside Nigeria without no feeling any remorse. They go to your land, they take it as their home because they believe in one Nigeria more than you that claim Nigeria. But the same people now be the biggest problem for inside Nigeria. When I go explain tire. However, let's quickly jump inside this matter. May you still hear waiting Igbo get to talk for their own side for inside this matter. Stay tuned.
You cannot go to Sambisa forest and fish out every criminal, Fulani criminal, from the forest and then put them in some camp. And after 3 weeks, they usher them out and give them a white shirt and present them to the country as repentant terrorists. Have you ever heard of such thing? They say they've repented. They put them in the army, gave them AK-47, gave them a uniform, and sent them to the eastern region of Nigeria to kill the Biafran people. And these are the things that every human being should be alarmed. That's why we're appealing to you. Those that are here, your friends, your associates, whomever you know that is in the government, this injustice must go far and wide until justice is done. And we are not going to relent.
Yes, so welcome back, my people. Shebi, you don't see am. No be small thing. They say that way they pursue somebody for home, he go still there outside or they throw you stone. Now so it be. So the Nigeria matter it don't pass Gary. We don't talk am so many things. The injustice where they happen to Ndi Igbo is very clear. Sunday Igbo na the same thing where Nande Kalu they talk. Now Sunday Igbo they talk. they don leave Sunday Igboho. Sowore the same thing. When Nnamdi Kanu dey talk na the same thing Sowore dey talk, but only say Sowore say he want revolution, so Nnamdi Kanu say he want also revolution, so that the country fit decide. Everybody go decide in faith for referendum for inside Nigeria. Is it not the same thing? Tell me. So the same thing wey all those people dey talk na dey talk because say they no be Igbos, they don leave them. But the one wey Nnamdi Kanu talk, the worst part of it is that Igbos are the ones who they are using against their own brother, telling you that one Nigeria is working, one Nigeria is this. If you go, they will say, if you watch the videos of the people who are saying they are arresting ESN, they are arresting these people, all of them, their intonation, most of them are Igbos. How can they use you against your own people? This is the question. So when I don't hear am with una to hear the mindset of where the Hausas and Yorubas are going, and you that they are using to fight your own brother. Use your brain. My brothers, share this video and make sure say this video go viral to the people who need to hear am. We will see you for the next update as it dey hot. Don't forget to drop your own opinion for inside comment section.